Considering it's one of my favorite pistols right out of the box, I felt it was due time for me to make a video about the CZ P10C. I love it because it offers features I'm looking for straight from the factory without having to upgrade. Features like a clean, crisp trigger, aggressive grip texture, an oversized and easy to manipulate slide release, and steel 3-dot sights. This pistol is incredibly pleasant and easy to shoot right away, and the first time I picked one up, I was shooting better than I had up until then, and I owed a lot of that to the ergonomics of the pistol. It just fits in my hand. It points very naturally, and I can easily reach the controls without feeling like I'm exaggerating my motions to get to them. But once I shot the P10C, I had no doubts that this was going to be one of those pistols I had to have in my rotation. In fact, if anyone asks me, if you could have one carry pistol for the rest of your life, what would it be? My answer will be the CZ P10C. With great prices and a serious concern for quality ammo, True Shot Gun Club is my go-to for ammo, and it's the reason I'm happy to have them as a sponsor of this channel. If you're getting some range time in, make sure to restock with True Shot Gun Club and tell them Shenanigans sent you. Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for stopping by to check out my thoughts on the CZ P10C. First, let me know what you guys thought about the intro, trying something a little different. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, and let me know your thoughts about this video altogether. Also, while you're here, hit that subscribe button to help me keep this channel growing and improving. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll try my best to get back to you in the comments because I enjoy being able to interact with everyone. So let's dive into this CZ P10C. But first, safety check. The P10C comes with an aggressive texture out of the box, which really grabs a hold of you and makes maintaining your grip under live fire really easy. It just doesn't move around. Now, for some, it may seem a little too aggressive, at least until your hands have had a time to get used to it. For me, at least, I'd rather have my pistols be too aggressive than not aggressive enough, and then they're slipping in my hand under live fire conditions or normal manipulations. Though aggressive, it doesn't seem to bother my skin when I'm carrying. My preferred carry position being appendix. And I recently posted a video on my first impressions of the Staccato C, and I mentioned in that video how the grip texture feels great in my hand, but if I'm being more active and doing something like yard work or a lot of walking around, it tends to get uncomfortable. And I just don't get that with the P10C. It carries easily, and for me at least, it doesn't feel rough on my skin. Now, one of the features I enjoy the most on this pistol is the trigger. Out of the box, it's hard to argue against it being one of the better factory triggers out there. It's smooth and crisp and has a very audible and tactile break with an average pull of 4.5 to 5 pounds according to CZ, but whatever it is, at the end of the day, it's pleasant. And if you guys want to listen to that here. CZ does offer an optic ready version, which does require the use of an adapter plate. And if you need a recommendation, my go-to is C&H Precision Weapons Systems. I've used CH-PWS plates on many different pistols, and I've never had any problems. Of course, if you have the funds, you can have a standard slide milled like this one, which has been enhanced and cut to direct mount in RMR by the guys over at Jaegerworks Engineering. Speaking of sighting systems, these do come with iron sights, which are not like those terrible polymer sights you get from Glock. While they aren't fancy and they're a traditional white dot, they're at least guaranteed to be durable without having to upgrade right away, until you get your Trijicon HDs or whatever you want to put on it. Even without aftermarket enhancements, the P10C does come with front serrations, so if you're the type of person that likes to press check or chamber around using the front of the slide, this pistol's for you. And even without these Jaegerworks enhanced serrations, the factory serrations are nice and deep and allow for a very positive grip, and the same goes for the rear serrations as well. Now, I'm sure you've noticed by now that this P10C has an ambi mag release, meaning it's on both sides. So this is an earlier generation. The current models come with a reversible mag release, which honestly was a good move by CZ. This earlier ambi model has a really tough mag release, especially when trying to manipulate it from the right side of the pistol as any lefty would. So my one real complaint about this particular model is the mag release. It's awful. It's getting better as I break it in. So this one was just terrible out of the box, but as I've put rounds in it, as I've played with that release, it's loosened up some, but it was a real pain in the beginning. This pistol does come with index points for your support hand thumb, as well as when indexing prior to or after shooting, maintaining proper safe handling. The index points allow you to create a subconscious connection with the area outside of the trigger guard, so you'll know just by the feel that you're safe and away from the trigger. I also appreciate them for shooting. I feel like textured index points help me keep a better grip with my support hand, than with pistols without it, but it's really a personal preference for me over anything. Out of the box, this has a 15 round capacity on par with the Glock 19, which this is quite similar to. What is not similar is the grip size. Coming in at a mere 1.26 inches wide, it's significantly thinner than the Glock 19 while maintaining the same capacity. The smaller grip allows for a better overall purchase on the pistol, as well as giving you an easier reach to the trigger for all you short-fingered folks out there. This, of course, allows you to get a more correct trigger press, which in turn improves your ability to shoot accurately. For those of you that want something Glock 19 size and capacity without the Glock 19 thickness, then you'll probably really enjoy this pistol. The width of the grip makes it rather easy to conceal, as the grip is the part that will give you the most problems with printing. Shooting this pistol is a pleasure. It's soft, smooth, flat, and handles very well. The recoil impulse is very manageable and allows you to get your sights back on target for faster follow-up shots. You can only shoot as fast as you can see your sights, accurately at least. I could seriously shoot this pistol all day. It's such a pleasant platform, it's easy to carry, and has a capacity that has become standard among manufacturers for compact-sized pistols. And if you need something to carry in, check out the folks over at Holster Co. LLC. Use code SHENANIGANS for 10% off your holster purchase. I've been carrying these holsters for several years now, and the quality is phenomenal. They're comfortable, and they ship quick, and you honestly can't go wrong. What do you guys think? Are you sold? Are you going to give up your Glocks and your SIGs and become a CZ fanboy? Let me know in the comments. If you guys enjoyed what you watched here, hit the like and subscribe button so we can keep this channel growing. I'll catch you all next time.